Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. I know you're probably wondering, where's the food? Today we're going to do something a little different and go on a field trip and bring the whole family along. So let's get cooking. Alright guys, so we've got everything set up and we are ready to go. We're going to make our pizzas today. One of the things I love best about cooking is it brings our family together. I don't know about you, but for us, the kitchen is where everybody joins together and it's so much fun, and we're just going to have fun to see what everybody puts on their pizza. We're also going to throw some pizza tips and tricks, and if you have any, comment down below. What do you like to do for your pizza? So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get cooking. All right, we're gonna start with Abby's pizza. She likes anything really. So I'm just gonna start with olive oil. I like to put it all over my crust. And then I'm gonna use some of our seasonings, garlic, salt and pepper, Italian seasonings, just, you know, the basic pizza stuff. If you wanna add a little kick to it, you can do red pepper flakes. And Wayne, this is, in case you're new,
Do you add the seasonings first, or do you put your sauce on first, then add the
I add my seasonings first because I want the crust to be seasoned.
Okay.
That's what I personally do.
Okay.
If you're new here, this is my dad, Wayne.
Hello.
He is the owner of this outside kitchen, so he let us come over. He's got an awesome pizza oven here, so that's why we thought it would be fun today.
This is our second time. We need to cook together more often.
I know. You're retired now, so you have more time to do it.
Yeah. These are pretty simple things, pizzas, but more complex meals is what we need to do, like short ribs and, I don't know, something you guys like.
Yeah. Well, you have me over and I'll cook.
I like short ribs and I like oxtails. Anybody like oxtails?
I don't know that you're going to have a lot of fans of oxtail. So obviously we have other family members here today. We've got Summer visiting from New York.
Hi.
That is Abby's best friend. We've got Isaiah, our son.
Hello.
My mom, Candace, and then of course Miss Abigail.
Ab, can you say hi, Ab?
Hey,
Sil?
Yeah. And Asa.
Hi, I'm
the
here
cameraman.
too. I'm here.
So if you're new here, my daughter Abigail has autism and she loves to eat. So that is why I am making her pizza for her, because she keeps eating all the toppings. And she's super nervous today for some reason to come back here. So we're just letting her do her own thing. Ma'am, are you ready to place your order? Are you? Are you ready? I'm making your pizza. Can you tell me what you want? Do you want pepperoni? Ma'am. Isaiah, can you help her?
Hey, come talk to Mom.
Do you want pepperoni for your pizza? You do? Okay. I'll put some of those on there for you,
Little
okay?
head wiggle. So
Yeah.
we did a pizza family cooking video when we first started your channel,
Yeah, we did.
and it was stressful
It was.
because she was all into the ingredients.
Yes, very much so. We'll go ahead and link that up above so you guys can take a look. It's pretty funny.
It is funny.
Wayne, if you want to go ahead and take this one, you can start making your pizza.
Okay,
Does that sound good to you?
sounds good.
Okay. One of the tricks I want to tell you is that parchment paper is going to work really well to put on your board, and that way the pizza just slides off. So, pro tip, instead of using flour, you can just use parchment paper.
What's going on your pizza, Wayne?
Well, I was going to have mushrooms, and I was going to have sausage. And of course, the cheese and everything, but I do mine a little different. After I put the sauce down, then I put some spices like the garlic and some oregano or Italian spice, And that's the way I do it. And yeah, did I say garlic? Some garlic, yeah.
There's no wrong way to do a pizza.
No,
That's
there's
the cool
no,
thing about it.
there's no wrong way, but I was born in an all-Italian town, and I used to have 200 papers, and I used to know, and I had to collect, and I knew when everybody was having pizza, lasagna, everyone said, give the paper boy something. Yep,
funny.
that's why I'm here.
There you go.
And of course, I'm proud to say, out of 200 papers, only one person, no, I don't care what I did, wouldn't give me a tip.
Wow.
I did everything for that guy. And I couldn't get a tip out of him.
So if you're watching, sir, that's quite rude.
Yeah. And he had a 15.7 Ford Fairlane with the hardtop come down. Oh, it was beautiful. It was black and gold.
One of the things that we did is we bought a cooked rotisserie chicken from Publix, and I just pulled it off the bones, and you have that for one of the toppings if you'd like.
So that's nice because it's already seasoned too, right?
Yep.
Good chicken.
I'm gonna top Abby's pizza with some Italian blend.
Garlic salt. Little garlic salt.
Now, last time we did pizzas, we made our own pizza crust or rolled our own pizza crust.
That was
yeah.
that was hard.
Yeah.
A lot of trouble. But it was good.
It was good.
It was
All right,
good.
I think this is good for Miss Abigail. So I did half pepperoni, half chicken, and then, of
Where's-
course,
okay.
cheese and sauce.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna put it in here. Wayne, do you like to use the middle rack? Which
I
rack?
like to use the one with the stone in it.
Okay. And I just slide it off of this.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay. There we go.
I think probably cutting off the excess paper.
Yeah, that would probably
be helpful.
Okay, pro tip number 1, don't use parchment paper. Ours just caught on fire because we're on an open flame.
Yeah, it's a propane pizza oven.
Yeah. So we're gonna go back to step 1 and put some flour on our pizza board and go from there.
Now, yeah, because we have actual
Some
like,
mushrooms in
watch
there.
your arm here, babe. We have actual flames underneath there in that pizza oven. If you have just a regular oven, you can use parchment paper. It's not going to catch anything on fire. We have flames with paper. Flames and paper makes fire.
All right, Mom, tell us what you're putting on your pizza.
Well, this is pizza sauce, and according to Blaze, you shouldn't put a lot on there because it makes your pizza soggy.
Oh, okay.
So that's why they're skimpy with it. So I always tell them I want a little bit more. So anyway, that's my lesson learned.
What toppings do you like on your pizza?
I love double pepperoni,
Okay.
and I know I'm not
And you
supposed
like
to
one
have
piece
it,
of
but I
salami
love
in
it.
the middle.
And I love
Hey,
salami.
peanut gallery.
Oh.
It's not your turn.
Oh,
And you gotta speak louder for us, okay?
Okay, all right. Anyway, so I love my tomato sauce on it. And then I put,
talking to a baby.
You gotta
Do
speak
what?
louder.
Okay.
have pizza sauce.
all right, I'm gonna talk like I'm out in the field.
You are.
Yeah, really. Yeah, I really like pepperoni, double pepperoni, and I love fresh salami on it. And I love Parmesan.
Oh.
And I'm gonna get some help from Abby. She knows Nanny likes it good.
Yum. Abby, your pizza's ready. Pro level happening over here. Now, this crust is it's a pre-done crust, so you don't really have to put a lot of seasoning if you don't want to.
I do.
mean, you
I
can.
love seasoning.
Okay, well, go ahead and start. I always start mine with olive oil.
Okay.
So you can take a little bit of olive oil and drizzle that around. A little more than that. There you go. Okay, so you can just take this spoon that you have
Yeah.
and spread it around.
Since you're making pizza for the two of us, can I have input too?
Absolutely.
Okay, cool.
A little bit.
Yeah, I
Okay.
definitely olive oil and seasoning, sir.
Next week,
Gotta do it.
seasonings.
Yep.
All right.
You don't have to do anything with that spoon with the seasonings. Okay, so what I would recommend is pouring the spices in your hand and then sprinkling them around.
Right.
When it's a jar like that, because you have more control over it.
Okay.
Just make sure he's doing a good job.
Tell him, girl.
How's that?
Ab, come here.
That's a lot.
That's it. Yes, you can always put them back, you know.
Yep,
And these are specially made seasonings from Abby's school.
they are. But that's why I like, if you have a jar that doesn't have the holes in it, it gives you more control.
Abby's school, they have an herb garden. Well, a garden in general, but part of their garden is the herb garden, and they go out and the kids work in the garden, and it's part of their vocational program, learn life skills, stuff like that. And we can buy the herbs from them. So they have like an Italian seasoning herb prepared for us to purchase.
That's right.
And it's good. It's way better than store bought.
Oh, yeah.
A lot more flavor.
Yeah. All right. Now you're gonna
We
do
do
your
salt.
sauce.
Can we do
Stuff
some
last.
garlic on there?
Yeah.
You cool
Yeah.
with that?
Typically, you do
Fresh
the garlic on top, but that's fine.
Yeah, I like garlic on there with the sauce over it, you know?
Okay.
Kind of mix it in with the sauce.
Right. You can really seal in the flavor.
That's right. That's the whole purpose.
Abby just keeps stealing the ingredients over here. She keeps. There's gonna be no sausage left.
Okay. All right.
All right. Now you do your sauce.
It's sauce time.
Here she comes.
You
What you
better stay
looking
away
at
from
him
my
for?
pizza.
He's not Potts, Pants, and Priscilla.
No, but I'm eating it.
Dad and I do not like tomatoes whatsoever, so I know we won't be
You
putting
don't
that
like
on
them
the
because
pizza.
your dad don't like them. Admit it.
I don't like them because they don't taste good.
Put a little
All right.
salt on them.
All right.
Delicious.
Now you're gonna put some cheese, mozzarella.
Okay. What is you guys' take on pineapple? Because that's a big debate that people have.
Does it belong on pizza?
Right. Some people like it, some people don't. Hey, Potts, Pans, and Priscilla, we need more room to work here.
Oh,
Okay,
I'm
so
sorry.
I understand that you're a professional, but I think that we can handle
I'm
this
not
pizza.
sure that you can.
Throwing you out of the kitchen.
Definitely not put enough meat on your pizza here, bud.
You're right. You're
Right?
I'm
I
sorry.
know. That's
I
the
wasn't
same with
done.
the
It's got, like,
cheese.
two
He was
You
pieces.
like,
were, you were doing your pepperoni,
You getting some sausage?
so some
Mhm.
chicken. Oh yeah, sausage. Do you want some chicken on there too? Dad?
Yeah.
And if you want something and your dad doesn't want it, you can always put half and half.
Right.
We'll put it where we want to put it. It's our pizza.
Oh my.
There, chef.
See, this is why you don't have guest people come on your show.
Oh my.
They get too big for their britches real quick.
I like this.
What are you
It's
doing
like
with
we're.
that chicken?
It's like chicken dust.
What's that, a
throw the
meatza-
chicken on there,
Is
bro.
that a meatza?
Yep.
I mean that olive oil.
How is it, Ab? Do you like it? Seeing all the toppings. Here, look.
She's watching her fish.
Here, look. Here, take a bite. Big bite. No. Okay.
She's not into carbs today.
All right, no carbs for Ab.
Summer,
Thank
is
you.
it good?
It's delicious.
Number 2. So another pro tip that we forgot before we did the pizza is put holes. Take a fork and put holes in your crust, and then you won't get those big bubbles. Which is yours, Mom?
Oh boy, that looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Now I want to take a lot less time to cook, so that's an option. You can always get like the DiGiorno's
Right.
pizza dough.
Yeah,
it's
that's
already
already
cooked. So we just basically wait for the toppings to heat up and melt. Third one more to go.
Yep.
And everything was out here was real pretty.
That one turned out good.
Very good.
So you guys gonna do some more cooking videos over here in your outdoor kitchen, Wayne?
We are.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know,
the short ribs.
We was getting short ribs, oxtails.
No oxtail.
Your oxtail has been vetoed.
Alright guys, thank you so much for joining us today to cook these family pizzas. It's fun to see what everybody put on their pizzas. I'm not a huge pizza fan, so this is for my family. But Wayne, your pizza looks good.
Yeah, thank you. It looks very professional.
It does. So we're going to be doing a lot more recipes out here. We call it a pizza kitchen. That's how they sell it, but it's an oven. Or a pizza oven. So yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to make some more recipes out here and just
You-
enjoy our time together.
Yeah, and we've got the power pot if we want to make gumbo and
Yep.
what's the other thing that we like? Low country boil.
Yep. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Country music on the radio. And I ain't got no place to go. Don't be afraid to put the sauce on there.
I'm doing mine my way.